Meet Riddle Master Fiona, who can twist the internet into pretzels with one neat couplet. She's slipped us a brand new puzzle, and tucked between the rhymes lurks a pop culture name that's itching to be called out. So, do yourself a favor. Switch your phone to silent, stretch those neurons, and lean in. This riddle's famished for attention. Fiona, the stage is yours.
Nestled in a glossy shell, a pebble-sized spark, I chirp my demands from the depths of your dark front jeans pocket. Tap my trio of keys, or I'll slip into silence with digital ease. Across the sea where the dawn meets the foam, I made grade schoolers parents and playgrounds my home. Miss Sunrise once, I fade into ghost. Skip the next sunrise, and you'll grieve the most. So who am I, this pixel that begs for a glance? Guess fast, or my hunger may cut short our dance.
Thank you, Riddle Master Fiona. Let's solve this riddle. Want the answer? Head to our channel. Whose name is this, anyway? That's where the name drops and more riddles pop. Subscribe, guess, grin. We'll see you there.